Okay. So now del keyword. We will discuss about del keyword. Del keyword removes an item with the key name. The key name, okay? The key name. Okay, now come down. So let us try to understand how the del keyword removes an item by keyword. Okay, key name. So now you need to use del. Okay, then dictionary name, animal here, syntax. Then after we need to refer the key name. The key name. So take any key. Okay. How many? These are two. So take this key name. Okay, 195. If I pass this 195, so let us see now if I run this code, what happened here. So del, so it is nothing. Del animal. Okay. Now you will request for print. Get print animal. Then what happened? Let us see. So now this key, the total pair deleted by key name. Okay, so only now one key value pair is there. So now next is what? Delete keyword. So delete keyword, delete whole dictionary also. So you can comment here del keyword, delete all the dictionary also. We can use del keyword to delete particular item with the key name, or the entire dictionary can be deleted. So syntax, how to write the syntax to delete entire whole dictionary, simply you use del keyword and animal. Okay, now then what happen if you request for print statement, you will get error. Print animal. That animal has only one pair of value, key one pair. If you run, you will get this type name error. Name error means name animal is not different because the dictionary is deleted. So you are getting error. Okay. So this is what. Now if you keep this as comment section, now your dictionary will be printed with only one value. Okay. So still dictionary is there. Okay, because I have kept this statement as in comment section. Okay. Now clear method empties the dictionary. We can use the clear method. Clear method means brackets, empties the dictionary, but empties the dictionary. So whenever I use clear method, how to use that? Animal dot clear method. Where is this is the clear method. So if I use this, then if I try for print animal, so I will get only empty dictionary. So this indicates that the dictionary is empty. It is not having any key value pairs. So your now total dictionary is clear. So loop through dictionary. We will discuss loop through dictionary. Okay.